రైట్. సో ఐషు ఇప్పుడు ఈవెన్ నంబరా ఆడ్ నంబరా చెప్పాలి.
Even number, ma'am.
విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈవెన్ నంబర్?
8.
2. Yes, 248. 8 is even number. Can you tell me why, Aishu?
Because
In
units place
we have okay.
8.
8. 8 is a
248.
yes, 248.
Even number.
Very good, Aishu. Clap hands all of you for Aishu. See, very nicely she told. Yes. Do you all agree? Give me a like. If you all agree, Aishu told very nicely and confident. Yes. Okay. Very nice. Good job, Aishu. Okay.